What's going on, you guys? Today we're going to talk about VPNs, or also known as virtual private networks. Welcome back, you guys. If you haven't done so, make sure you click the like button, the subscribe button, and that bell so that way you can get notified every single time we upload videos. So that way you can get all the confidence and feel empowered while you're growing your cryptocurrency portfolio. So today we're going to talk about VPNs, and I've been using VPN services for several years, and there's lots of great benefits, but the number one benefit is your security and your protection. Okay, so as you are growing your cryptocurrency portfolio, you have to be aware of all the horror stories that's out there. Hackers, people are phishing for your information. And when you actually are logging in, whether it's your laptop, your MacBook, your iMac, your phone, every single device has an IP address. And hackers can identify where you are browsing from, what you're searching, and as they identify a pattern through your search and your browsing abilities, then all of a sudden they're able to phish your passwords and hack into your wallets, that sort of stuff, right? So it's very, very scary. I use VPNs all the time because I want to make sure that I don't want anyone to know what I'm doing on the internet at all. And so Surfshark is actually the number one service that I use. I love it. They provide all the benefits, such as all the top quality ones out there like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, but you get the best price. Okay, now from this video, the link below, you can go to the info right underneath this video and you can click that link, and it's actually going to discount over 81% of that monthly premium. You're gonna have to cover 24 months of it, pay all one lump sum. It's about a whopping $50. And so instead of paying about $15 a month, you're getting it for about $2.49 a month. Again, the link is found below. Very, very excited about this. So basically, to keep it really simple, once you click on that link below, it's gonna take you to this website. You wanna click on Get Surfshark. And then from here, once you click on that, it's automatically gonna populate the one that saves you 81%. This is showing Australian dollars, so it's actually $2.49 based on United States dollars. And then step two is create your account. So your account would be your email information. So you want to type in your email right there. And then number three, protect your privacy and identity with Surfshark Alert and Search. It's totally up to you. Basically, extra protection for yourself if you want to do that. And then from there, number four, select payment information. So you want to go ahead and actually punch in all of your basic information in terms of your payment on your card, and then complete purchase. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to receive an email that is going to tell you that your payment has been received, and you can actually log into your account. You're going to get an email that's going to tell you to download the Surfshark app on your device. If you don't know where to find that in your email, you can still go to Surfshark, go right here, VPN, and then basically you can either download it from Mac OS, Windows, iOS on your phone, or Android if it's on your phone. And there's even a Chrome extension. So pick the one that you feel most comfortable. Right now, I'm actually on my MacBook. So obviously I can actually click on Mac OS, and I can just click on download DMG. So once I click download, it's gonna automatically download right here. Now, once you're done downloading it, you click on the file. It's gonna open up. Let me go ahead and let that pop up real quick. So once you click on the file, you're gonna see Surfshark right here. Again, this pertains to those that are using a Mac, and you wanna simply drag it to applications. Okay, now once you're done dragging the applications, you can upload it. You can open it, search for it, and then click on it. Now, once you're done typing in your credentials, it's gonna log you right in, so that way you can start using the service immediately. Okay, now I'm logged in, and this is what it looks like. It's quite easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. and you can actually pick what country you want to log into. So for example, I want to log in through Australia. I can click on that and it's going to go ahead and actually attempt to log in. Boom. And here I am officially logging in, and it looks like my computer is logging in from Australia. Guys, from here, you can actually log in, you can surf the web, you can actually log into your wallets or whatever the case is. And this is actually going to reduce the amount of vulnerability when it comes to you doing quote unquote online banking or online projects with cryptocurrency. So hopefully this helps. Again, click on the link below this video so that way it can actually give you that 81% discount as you are actually setting up your VPN.